For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. Hey guys, it is Wise from Wise Tech here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now I actually know for once what this parcel is for sure, and let's go ahead and open it up because it's pretty cool. Cool. So we actually have the Gigabyte E350N Windows 8 board. And basically I got this for making a server. Now this server is going to be a little NAS, and I thought this mini-itx board would be pretty good for it. Now this board is tiny, it's really small, and yeah, I think it's pretty good for what I got. It was $30 and I think it's $9 shipping, so a total of $38, so not bad for this little board. A little bit expensive for this type of performance and hardware, but overall, honestly, for an ITX board at least, it's pretty good. It was the cheapest on TradeMe at the time, so basically it comes with a dual core. It's so funny to say that now. A dual core APU, an AMD one, and it comes with 8 gigs of DDR3, which is not too bad. 4 SATA slot, 4 SATA, so I'm not really sure what speed that is, probably 2.0. 124 pin. It's got a PCIe there, probably 8x, I believe. 1 4 pin here, and here all the headers are spread out through the motherboard. They're down here, and we got one system chassis fan and one fan for the CPU here as well. Now overall, I think it's a cool motherboard. It's tiny. You can see the size of my hand compared to that. It's about the same size. And it is working. I just have to test that it's working when I get a spare power supply that I ordered from Computer Lounge. You'll see an unboxing for that as well. Soon probably. And yeah, I mean the only thing that's the downside for this motherboard is you can't take out the actual CPU. It's integrated into the motherboard. If you can see that on the back, I think it might be soldered in somewhere. Cool, so yeah, I mean, I'll probably also put in the part where I install this into an ITX case as well, but if I don't, I'll get around to it soon. I'll also probably put in the testing of this motherboard into the video as well. Let's just check it actually came with the other stuff it should have come with, and we'll just check here. So, it's not brand new, it's second-hand, but kept in very good condition. Comes with its IO shield, thank God, because I don't have mini-itx one. It comes with a CD-ROM and a user manual. Yeah, but I mean, for an ITX board, this is pretty cool. Heatsink is a really low profile as well. So that about sums up the video for this mini-itx motherboard. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Make sure you go and check out ystech.org. The latest posts, reviews, and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day again. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!